This is the house that Monty and Claire built.
And I think it's something that many of us could do with crap bits of wasteland in London.
A house which they built on a really difficult site, and which, as a result, is incredibly tailored, both to where it is, but also to them. It's a place full of integrity because it reflects who they are as much as where it is.
We bought the land for 40 grand, and for 170 grand, we built this house.
And it is also full of energy, and it's full of invention and inventions, from sliding glass roofs to angled doorways to drawers that, when you open them, actually turn into a basin. Extraordinary little details that I've never seen anywhere else, made out of bits of Land Rover and bits of yacht. There's lots of stuff here to take away, lots of ideas that can be used elsewhere, and that's all down to Monty. He is a true Renaissance man, an engineer in the proper old-fashioned sense of that word. So, lots of things here to take away, lots of things to learn from. Welcome to Monty's world of building technology.